Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the name of India's cutting-edge automatic train protection system? Option A, Safe Train. Option B, Kavach 4.0. Option C, Railguard. Option D, Train Safe. The correct answer is option B, Kavach 4.0. Kavach 4.0 is an indigenously developed automatic train protection system designed to ensure safe train operations, including features such as automatic braking if the loco pilot fails to act. Next question is, what is the length of the Hyperloop tube at IIT Madras? Option A, 310 meters. Option B, 410 meters. Option C, 500 meters. Option D, 600 meters. The correct answer is option B, 410 meters. The Hyperloop project at IIT Madras will feature Asia's longest Hyperloop tube, measuring 410 meters, which is a significant milestone in this project. Next question is, where will the new brownfield ammonia-urea complex be established? Vikalp A, Bihar. Option B, West Bengal. Option C, Assam. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option C, Assam. The new brownfield ammonia-urea complex will be established at Brahmaputra Valley Fertilizer Corporation Limited, BVFCL, in Namrup, Assam. Next question is, what is the total allocation for the revised Rashtriya Gokul mission, RGM? Option A, 2,400 crore rupees. Option B, 3,000 crore rupees. Option C, 3,400 crore rupees. Option D, 4,000 crore rupees. The correct answer is option C, 3,400 crore rupees. The revised Rashtriya Gokul mission has been approved with a total allocation of 3,400 crore rupees for the 15th Finance Commission cycle. Next question is, what does APAAR stand for? Option A, Automated Personal Academic Registration. Option B, Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. Option C, Automated Personal Academic Record. Option D, Academic Personal Account Registration. The correct answer is option B, Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. APAAR stands for Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry, which aims to accumulate and store students' academic accomplishments. Next question is, where did India rank in the global survey on support for free speech? Option A, 24th. Option B, 15th. Option C, 33rd. Option D, 12th. The correct answer is option A, 24th. India was ranked 24th out of 33 countries surveyed on support for free speech with a score of 62.6. Next question is, which of the following is not one of the disciplines in the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Option A, Para Archery. Option B, Para Powerlifting. Option C, Para Table Tennis. Option D, Para Swimming. The correct answer is option D, Para Swimming. The 6 disciplines in the Khelo India Para Games 2025 are Para Archery, Para Athletics, Para Badminton, Para Powerlifting, Para Shooting, and Para Table Tennis. Para Swimming is not included. Next question is, how much has the financial assistance under the Ni-kshay Poshan Yojana for TB patients been increased? Option A, 500 rupees per month. Option B, 750 rupees per month. Option C, 1,000 rupees per month. Option D, 1,500 rupees per month. The correct answer is option C, 1,000 rupees per month. The financial assistance under the Ni-kshay Poshan Yojana for TB patients has been doubled to 1,000 rupees per month. effective from November 2024. Next question is, which AI-based tool is being used to enhance the speed and accuracy of TB detection in India? Option A, PathDetect-TM. Option B, DeepCXR. Option C, Expert MTB-RIF. Option D, TB triage. The correct answer is option B, DeepCXR. DeepCXR, an AI-based tool, is being used to enhance the speed and accuracy of TB detection in India. Last question is, what is the subsidy percentage for loans up to 2 lakh rupees under the scheme? Option A, 70%. Option B, 60%. Option C, 80%. Option D, 90%. The correct answer is option A, 70%. Loans up to 2 lakh rupees under the Rajiv Yuva Vikasam scheme will receive a 70% subsidy. Now it's time for practice question. What position has Lakshmi Venu been appointed to at TAFE? Option A, CEO. Option B, Vice Chairman. Option C, Managing Director. Or Option D, Chairman. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.